Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxing, spoilers, and giveaways. Today is our Ipsy Glam bag for the month of May, and we're giving away one of the items to one of you, so keep on watching. I want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. For all my return subscribers, you know I love spoiling you guys. Every month I try and do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of May, it is the Galactic The Essentials palette. This is mine. I've got a brand new one for you. Look how pretty this is. Look in the description box down below under current giveaways talks about how to enter this one. Giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed to the channel. Watch the videos in their entirety. Somewhere in today's video is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for today's giveaway. And I do them a lot here. I'm filming 2.5 of them today. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you could do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all. And if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings. I want you guys to know when I upload. Definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways, because I do them a lot here on the channel. As far as what is on my eyes, it is this Morphe Chrome Plus palette in Skyfall. I mean, look how pretty that is. So Ipsy is beauty, makeup, skincare, hair care, that sort of things. In the Glam bag, they do put in a cosmetic bag as well. They're mainly sample sizes for the $14 in the original Glam bag. Every once in a while, they will throw in a full size as well. I feel like there's like a lot in here. Oh, because of that big thing. Look how cute this bag is. Here's what the inside kind of looks like. So what Ipsy says about this is classic, effortless, and made to be used on repeat. May Glam bag features a crisp blue gingham print on structured faux leather finish with a navy wristlet strap for an easy grab for on-the-go moments. I love the SL Miss Glam brushes. They are so soft, so amazing. Look how pretty this one is. It is one of their face brushes. And the two red crystals right there. It does retail for $28 and is 4.1 stars. The perfect all-over touch-up brush for soft diffused finish, designed to lightly sweep powder across the skin. It refreshes your makeup without disturbing your base, leaving everything smooth, blended, and blurred. So that right there just paid for your bag twice. From Ace Beauté is the Drama Beam Highlighter in Guilt Moment, which is a champagne color. It's so weird. Like, they say that on the outside, and then on the inside it says a different color, and then I go to the packaging and it says this other color. So this is actually in Heat Wave, which is a gold shade. It is 4.1 stars. This is a deluxe mini. It has kind of like a pink gold shift to it. A silky soft powder highlighter that gives the skin a glistening glow with a natural looking finish. You know what I've been doing with like much of my old highlighters lately is I will like crumble it all up, like completely smash those, just fine dust basically. Put it in some baby oil and then put that on my legs, and it gives a little sparkle to the legs. From Dew of the Gods is the H2O Blur Spring Daily Gel Moisturizer. This is a deluxe mini. It is 4.3 stars. This heavenly gel formula cools and refreshes the skin and delivers a burst of hydration with hyaluronic acid and moisture-locking glycerin to help keep skin feeling plump and dewy. The star ingredient, the blue spirulina, helps energize and revive dull-looking skin, leaving your complexion brighter, bouncier, and beautifully refreshed. From TYNT Beauty, the Glaze Glow Glossy Lip Oil in Clear. This is a deluxe mini. It is 4.6 stars. It's the perfect balance of glow and care. The nourishing formula hydrates lips with jojoba and shea butter while delivering high shine that feels smooth, not sticky. And the big guy I was talking about is a full size of the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Clean Freak Daily Cleanser It is 162 millimeters. It is 4.6 stars and retails for $11. This gentle daily cleanser is designed to help remove impurities and makeup without stripping your skin. Hyaluronic acid helps support lasting hydration for that fresh-faced, healthy-looking glow. Your skin feels comfortably clean, soft, and never tight. So what was your guys' favorite item in here? I think mine, it's a toss-up for me, between the brush and the cleanser. What was yours? Let me know in the comments down below. Let's give away that lip gloss. I just don't wear clear lip gloss, and so I'd much rather give it away to one of you guys. Secret word of the day is nose. So you guys know I've had some health problems lately. Well, let's tack onto that I've now started having nosebleeds, like bad nosebleeds. Like one was a half hour, another one was over an hour, another one was 45 minutes, sent me to the ER because I was losing so much blood because it was an artery that was kind of higher up. Ended up having to have it cauterized, and so my nose is kind of a little tender right now. I don't feel like I can breathe right out of this nose because it's all scabbed over. Anyway, so your word of the day is nose. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Be sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. And make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can verify, yes, you are subscribed to the channel. And also put on it that secret word. Now, you can get bonus entries. How the bonus entries work is you only fill out the form once, and you can mark on it if you did do the bonus entries. Only mark on it if you actually did, because I don't want to see you guys get disqualified. So your first bonus entry is if you go follow me on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. Your second way is if you share this with your family, friends, social media accounts. It really helps the channel grow when you guys do that, and I wanted a way to say thank you. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. You must be 18 years old or older, or have your parents' permission to enter. The giveaway is open internationally. I am not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. So let's have the giveaway go through June 5th, midnight Mountain Standard Time, and then after that, if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing, I'll take the first name, first initial, the last name, put those in the computer. The computer spins all the names around. The computer picks, I don't, so don't ask to win. And then as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't sell that information. I don't share it. I don't create distribution lists. I don't do anything like that. So if you like the video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel when you do. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking it out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. Bye. Good luck in the giveaway. Woo!